Can you see my microphone? It's not this one or the one above. It's right here. When we're shooting outdoors, a shotgun microphone or a wireless mic is our go-to, especially for interviews and vlogs. The wireless microphone space is super competitive right now. You've got the long-time pros like Sennheiser, Electrosonics and Shure, and then there are new contenders like Rode, DJI, Hollyland and many more. These newer companies are bringing fresh technologies and features to the table at a much more affordable price point. Speaking of which, Hollyland reached out and sent me their Lark M2 wireless microphone kit for free to test and review. So let's dive right in. Setting up the Lark M2 is very easy. You can just plug the receiver into your camera or phone and attach the transmitter to your clothing and you're ready to go. Let's talk about the transmitter of the Hollyland Lark M2. This thing is incredibly small, about the size of a button, and weighs only 9 grams. It's tiny enough to stay securely fastened to your clothing without any dropping or sagging. Plus, it looks super fashionable, a fresh take on wireless microphones. Despite its small size, the transmitter boasts an outstanding battery life of up to 10 hours. It also features built-in environmental noise cancellation, which you can adjust to your needs using the Lark Sound app. And let's not forget the impressive transmission range of up to 300 meters or 1000 feet. Alright, let's take this tiny microphone system outside and put it to the test. Today we'll do a distance test with the Hollyland Lark M2 and compare it with the Rode Wireless Pro. You want to walk down this path. It's a bit more than 100 meters, a bit more than 300 feet. Yes, theoretically this microphone should go much further, like the Lark M2 should go up to 300 meters. But let's be realistic, almost nobody is using this distance because then you're just a little ant in the distance. But anyway, you want to do a sound test and a distance test. First I'm facing away from the camera and then I'm coming back facing the camera. Let's get it started. And by the way, I'm at 6 feet, 2 meters away from the camera. I'm walking away from the camera here. I will be soon at 10 meters here. I don't know when it comes, but right now I'm at 10 meters away from the camera. 10 meters away from the camera. We should see every meter, but this app doesn't show every meter. Now I'm walking away from the camera here. I will be soon at 10 meters here. I don't know when it comes, but right now I'm walking now towards the camera. Now I'm 110 meters away from the camera. I'm 110 meters away from the camera. By the way, that's how it looks like here. I'm having the app here open here. Now I'm 100 meters away from the camera. I see my son here and I don't know if he hears me perfect. Let me walk closer here. 90 feet away from the camera. I'm now coming closer, walking closer and closer to my son here, who was kind enough to come with me and operate the camera. I'm 80 feet away to the camera. I'm facing the camera now. I'm walking further. I'm at 70 feet in front of the camera. Now I'm at 60 meters in front of the camera, 50 meters in front of the camera, and 40 meters in front of the camera, facing the camera, 30 meters in front of the camera, 20 meters in front of the camera. I'm 10 meters in front of the camera. Obviously, I really hope both microphones work fine. And now I'm back at 2 meters in front of the camera, and it will be interesting to hear this in post to see at what point we got cut out. Now I'm 120 meters away from the camera. 100 meters away from the camera. 100 meters away from the camera. I see my son here and I don't know if he hears me perfect. 90 feet away from the camera. I'm 80 feet away from the camera. 70 feet, 60 meters in front of the camera. 50 meters in front of the camera, 40 meters in front of the camera, facing the camera, 30 meters in front of the camera, 20 meters in front of the camera, 10 meters in front of the camera, 2 meters in front of the camera, and it will be interesting to hear this in post. I'm filming with Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. I have no wind protection on right now, it's not really windy, and I have a regular recording on. I want to switch on to the noise reduction feature that this Lark M2 has and see how it sounds. I have now the noise reduction on Hollyland Lark M2. I'm wondering how you understand me, how my voice sounds. Is it a little bit artificial, or how well the noise reduction is? Now I'm turning noise reduction off again. Now we are back to regular recording without noise reduction. I do another test with the Hollyland Lark M2, this time connected to the receiver that's on the iPhone, and I'm walking all the way away from the camera. I'm just bubbling away as I did before. I'm walking, I'm maybe around 20 meters away from the camera, and I'm walking further here, around 30 meters in front of the camera, just walking here and see how far you guys can hear me along the beach here. It's a beautiful day. I'm at 100 meters away from the camera. I'm walking towards the camera now, 100 meters away from the camera, and I just want to see how well you can hear me. I have almost direct line of sight. It's a few bushes here, but I'm walking here along the ocean here, a little bit higher up. We cannot see the ocean. I mean, you guys cannot see the ocean from the camera, but I'm just walking here on the path and see how well this receiver works, how well this microphone works when it's connected directly to an iPhone with its special receiver. It comes with a lightning receiver, and it comes also with a USB-C receiver. My phone has a lightning port, so I'm just using it with that. But I'm approximately now 30 meters in front of the camera, walking closer and closer. I'm curious how far this microphone works here. We're connected to the receiver. I'm approximately 10 meters in front of the camera, and I'm walking to my original spot here that I had at the very beginning. I'm now around 2 meters, 6 feet in front of the camera. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of Hollyland Lark M2. Pros. The mic is incredibly small, stylish, and packs a punch in terms of performance. The audio quality is top-notch, providing clean and natural sound, plus it's super easy to use. You get professional grade features without breaking the bank. Cons. While I appreciate the included windscreens, they can be quite tricky to mount. It's hard to see exactly where the microphone and button are located. It would be great to have a built-in audio level meter and the option for in-device recording for even more versatility. Overall, the Hollyland Lark M2 offers a lot of value, but there's always room for improvement. I'm very impressed by Hollyland Lark M2 wireless mic kit. It easily outperforms the Rode Wireless Pro in my distance test. With its tiny size, it's by far the easiest mic to fasten to your clothing, safe for a lavalier mic. But with those, you have to deal with a cable, which makes it much less user-friendly. Sure, other wireless systems might have more features, but Hollyland managed to deliver excellent sound quality in a device that's ultra small, easy to use, and even fashionable. It's ideal to bring with you anywhere. Hollyland Lark M2 is an excellent choice for any creator who wants a no-fuss wireless mic solution. Here's some great news. Hollyland is offering a nice discount from July 16th to July 22nd. Get your Lark M2 at a Prime Day price drop. Click the link in the description below so you don't miss out. The Lark M2 is more than just okay. Check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking gear and how to use them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.